Hello everyone, welcome back once again for the online session of the chapter Single Entry System. So in the last session we have done some basic concepts related to single entry, some missing informations and the process with which we can find out the missing information. Look at here, we have to follow some steps. The main part of this chapter is to convert single entry system into double entry. આપણે કરવાનું શું છે, જે સિંગલ ઇફેક્ટ્સ આપેલી છે, તો જે અમુક ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સની જે સિંગલ ઇફેક્ટ આપેલી છે, વી હેવ ટુ ગીવ સેકન્ડ ઇફેક્ટ ઓફ ધેટ પર્ટિક્યુલર ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન. ફોર ગિવિંગ ડબલ ઇફેક્ટ we have to prepare opening statement of affairs, that is opening balance sheet. We have to prepare cash back. We have to identify and record cash transactions in cash book. We have to prepare total debtors account to find out credit sales. Prepare creditors account to find out credit purchase. And if some information related to bills receivables and bills payables are given, bills payable and bills receivable ની કોઈ information આપેલી હોય, then we have to prepare bills receivables account and bills payables account. After finding out all these informations, our main task is to prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So when we prepare trading, profit and loss and balance sheet, it is simply a conversion of single entry into double entry. For that, we have bills receivable received during the year, that is a component of bills receivable account. Credit sales, that can be find out with the help of debtors account. Bills payable accepted during the year, a bills payable account માંથી calculate થશે. Credit purchase, creditors account માંથી calculate થશે. And closing cash balance, a cash and bank account માંથી તૈયાર થશે. For today's session, we will learn to prepare bills receivables account, bills payables account, debtors account and creditors account. આપણે આ ચાર અકાઉન્ટ તૈયાર કરીને ક્રેડિટ સેલ્સ ફ્રોમ ડેટર્સ અકાઉન્ટ એન્ડ ક્રેડિટ પરચેસ ફ્રોમ ક્રેડિટર્સ અકાઉન્ટ આ આપણે આજે કરીશું. What is our today's session? To find out credit sales and credit purchase. Look at the example. The following information is available from the cash book and certain rough statement maintained by Mr. Raj in respect of his business. એક પર્સન છે, એના બિઝનેસની કંઈક ડિટેલ્સ આપેલી છે. We are given opening balance, that is 1st April 21 and closing balance 31st March 2022. Sundry debtors, opening closing, creditors, opening closing, stock, opening closing, bills receivable, opening closing, bills payable, opening closing. આ information આપેલી છે. Along with this, we are given some other transactions. Cash received from debtors 5,41,000. Cash received from bills receivables 47,000. With both this transaction, cash is in, so cash account is debited and these two accounts are credited. We have cash sales, cash paid to creditors, cash paid for bills receivable. Both this cash paid to creditors and bills payable are cash out, so that creditors and bills payable account debited, cash account is credited. Return outwards, discount received, return inward, discount allowed. Bad debts, cash purchase. So on the basis of all this information, we are asked to find out credit sales and credit purchase. Opening closing balance આપેલી છે અને વર્ષ દરમિયાનના કંઈક ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન આપેલા છે. આના પરથી ક્રેડિટ સેલ્સ અને ક્રેડિટ પરચેસ શોધવાનું છે. Let's find it. We have to find out credit sales and credit purchase. We are given information for 4 different accounts. So we will prepare bills receivables account, debtors account, bills payables account, creditors account. Bills receivable ની balance આપણે debtors માં transfer કરીશું. પછી debtors ની જે balance મળશે, that is credit sales. Bills payable account તૈયાર કરીને એની balance જે મળશે એ creditors માં transfer કરીશું. Creditors account close કરીને જે balance મળશે, that is credit purchase. Very easy. Once you understand the concept, એકવાર concept સમજાઈ જશે એટલે આ chapter એકદમ easy લાગશે. Look at here. ધીઝ આર ઓલ ધી ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ. પહેલાં તો આપણે આઈડેન્ટિફાય કરીશું કે આ બધા જે ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન છે એ કયા અકાઉન્ટમાં આપણે ટ્રાન્સફર કરવાના છે. સો વી હેવ કેશ રિસીવ્ડ ફ્રોમ ડેટર્સ, સેલ્સ રિટર્ન, ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ એન્ડ બેડ ડેબ્ટ્સ આર ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ ઓફ ડેટર્સ અકાઉન્ટ. તો આને આપણે ડેટર્સ અકાઉન્ટમાં ટ્રાન્સફર કરીશું. Cash received from bills payable are related to bills receivables account. Cash paid to creditors, purchase return and discount received are transactions of creditors. તો આપણે creditors account માં ટ્રાન્સફર કરીશું. Cash paid for bills payable આ bills payable account માં ટ્રાન્સફર કરીશું. And remaining two transactions, that is cash sales and cash purchase, are transactions related to cash and bank account, and further we will transfer to trading account. અહીંયા આપણે હાલ પૂરતું ટ્રેડિંગ અકાઉન્ટ તૈયાર કરવાનું નથી. We are asked to find out credit sales and credit purchase only. So on the basis of this information, we have to prepare 4 accounts: bills receivables account, debtors account, bills payables account and creditors account. See here, this is our question. Bills receivables account, debit, credit. Total debtors account, particulars amount, debit, credit. સૌથી પહેલા આપણે ચારે અકાઉન્ટ તૈયાર કરી લેવાના છે. Bills payables account and total creditors account. પહેલા bills receivable, પછી debtors, પછી bills payable અને creditors. Then after we have to transfer opening and closing balance in all the accounts. જે આપણી ઓપનિંગ ક્લોઝિંગ બેલેન્સ આપેલી છે એને આપણે આ ચારે એકાઉન્ટમાં ટ્રાન્સફર કરીશું. સો બિલ્સ રિસીવેબલ એન્ડ ડેટર્સ ઓપનિંગ ડેબિટ સાઇડ હશે, ક્લોઝિંગ ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ હશે, એઝ બોથ આર અસેટ્સ. Assets have debit balance, liabilities have credit balance. So bills payable and creditors have opening balance on credit side, closing balance on debit side. સૌથી પહેલું કામ અકાઉન્ટ બનાવ્યા પછી ટ્રાન્સફર ઓપનિંગ એન્ડ ક્લોઝિંગ બેલેન્સ. સો લેટ્સ ટ્રાન્સફર bills receivable, debit side opening balance to balance brought down 2500, closing balance on credit side 5000. એવી જ રીતે total debtors account opening balance debit side 50000, closing balance credit side 80000. Next, bills payables account opening balance credit side 4000, closing balance debit side 5000. Next, total creditors account opening balance credit side, closing balance debit side 50000. After transferring opening and closing, we have to give effect of other transactions. તો આપણી પાસે other transaction છે. Look at the color combination. All the red are transactions related to debtors, blue related to bills receivables account, brown related to bills payables account, and green are related to creditors account. Let's give the effect. First, cash received from bills receivables. As cash received, cash is in, so cash account debited to bills receivables account. On the credit side of bills receivable, by cash account 47000. કેશ આવે છે, આવે તો ઉધાર, તો એની સામે કયું અકાઉન્ટ છે? બિલ્સ રિસીવેબલ્સ અકાઉન્ટ, બિલ્સ રિસીવેબલ ક્રેડિટ. નાઉ ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ ઓફ ડેટર્સ. હવે ડેટર્સમાં ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું, ડેટર્સના જેટલા કમ્પોનન્ટથી ડેટર્સની વેલ્યુમાં ઘટાડો થતો હોય that are credited. Like if we received cash from debtors, cash is coming inside, so cash account debited to debtors account. With discount, sales return and bad debts return of the amount of debtors reduces, so it is credited to debtors account. Then we have cash paid for bills payable. As we are paying cash, cash is going out, so cash is credited, bills payable account is debited. So on the debit side of bills payable, to cash account 10000. આવે તો ઉધાર, જાય તો જમા. કેશ જાય છે એ જમા થશે, તો બિલ્સ પેએબલ માટે પેમેન્ટ કરીએ છીએ, બિલ્સ પેએબલ અકાઉન્ટ ડેબિટેડ. Likewise, transactions of creditors, cash paid to creditors, creditors account debited to bank or cash account, and all the information with which amount of creditors reduces are debited to creditors account. Clear? Very easy. First, transfer balance in bills receivable, then transfer transactions in debtors, then transfer transactions in bills payables account, and then creditors account. After transferring, we have to close the account. So let's close first bills receivables account. So 47 plus 5, 52,000 minus 2,500 will get balance of 49,500, that is bills received from debtors, that is transferred to debtors account. Bills receivable ની balance ક્યાં transfer કરવાની? Debtors માં credit side to bills receivable 49,500. Now close debtors account. If we close debtors account, total 6,83,000 minus 50,000 will get credit sales of rupees 6,33,000, that is on debit side. So this is bills receivable and debtors account. Close bills payables account. 10 plus 5, 15,000 minus 4,000 will get 11,000 balance, that is bills accepted during the year transferred to creditors account. Transfer to creditors account debit side. After transferring bills payable accepted during the year to creditors account, close creditors account. આ ખાતું બંધ કરીશું. So total 5,12,000 minus 30,000 will get 4,82,000 as credit purchase. તો આ થયું આપણું bills payable અને creditors account. We have calculated credit sales and credit purchase. Look at here, cash sales and cash purchases given. Credit sales 6,33,000, so total sales 638 transferred to trading account, as well as cash purchase 5,000, credit purchase 4,82,000, total 4,87,000 is the purchase transferred to debit side of trading account. So this is how you can prepare bills payable account, bills receivables account, debtors account, and creditors account to find out credit sales and credit purchase. Clear? If you have any doubt, comment in the comment box. If you really like, share this video maximum. In the next session, we will learn the explanation of endorsement of bills receivable. Till that, thank you very much. Have a good day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.